How I use threshold in Photoshop. Select photo layer. Under the image tab, adjust levels of photo to create more contrast. Every image is different and will need to be adjusted accordingly. The bottom sliders do not need to be adjusted. Preview to see the before and after. Duplicate photo layer for later, then hide second layer. Then go to Image tab, then Adjustments, now select Desaturate. Go to Image tab again, then Adjustments, now select Invert. Go to Image tab again, then Adjustments, select Threshold. I like to set my threshold more to the right, remember it is inverted and the white parts will be the shadows. Make sure threshold layer is selected. Under the Select tab, select Color Range. With the dropper select a white area of the threshold image. Now simply press Delete. Deselect your selection. Create solid black background. Double-click threshold image layer to bring up layer styles. Then select color overlay and change color to white or any other light color. I like to select a vivid color from the original photo with color selection tool, then invert selection and delete the rest of the image and overlay the color over the threshold image to really make it pop. Thank you for watching.